Hello everyone, today we have this equation 3 over 9 divided by 9 over 3 divided by 3 over 9. This equation is a perfect example of how to use the order of operation, where multiplication and division, they have equal priority and must be done from left to right. In this case, we have only division. This said, even if it's only 2 division, we still must do it from left to right. So we should not start with this division and then start with this one. We must do first the one that's from the left and continuing with those consecutive that are to the right. So we'll do this first, this division and then this division. Okay, this said, let's start. So I have 3 over 9. So when we have a division to a fraction, for example, you must remember this simple rule, which is KCF, where K stands for keep the first, so we're keeping the first. C stands for change, so we're change the sign, so we're changing the sign. And F stands for flip the second, so we're multiplying with its reciprocal. And here, this one, we write it as it is. Okay. Now what we can see here, again, we have multiplication and division, so basically we'll do the multiplication and then we'll do a division. What we have is 3 multiplied by 3, we have 9 over 9 multiplied by 9 is 81. And we have again a division, 3 over 9. So we apply the same thing. So we're keeping the first, then we're changing the sign, and then we're flipping the second, so multiply by its reciprocal. Of course, here this number is divisible, so what we have here now is 9 multiplied by 9 is 81 over 3 multiplied by 81 is 3 and 243. And of course this number we can divide it by 81, and this equals to 1 over 3.